Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save jobs on the Jobsite application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and after that tap on the find button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Type in the name of the position you are looking for into the search bar at the top, and you can also narrow down your search by using these filters. After finding the relevant one, tap on it and you can read about the position itself. And if you want to save it for later, tap on this heart icon in the right side of the screen. If you go back to the previous page by tapping on this arrow icon in the upper left corner, and tap on the My Jobs section down below, which is the third one indicated by this heart icon, you are going to see all of the saved items that have been added to this section. So if you want to get rid of it, for example, you should tap on the job itself and click on the heart icon again. And as you can see, it has been removed from this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.